In this video, I'll explain how to use Content Dynamic Source to recall information that a user previously provided in your quiz, allowing you to personalize text throughout the quiz and even on the results page. Let's get started. First, make sure your quiz already contains some questions with answers you might want to recall later. For example, asking the user for their name or email. This will give you something meaningful to reference in later slides. In this example, I've added a name question to my quiz. Now, I want to use that name again in the next question, so that it feels more conversational and personalized. To do this, I'll open the next question, and inside one of its heading blocks, I'll click on Settings. There, I'll find an option called Content Dynamic Source. When I click on it, I'll see a drop-down list of all the available questions in my quiz. Each question listed can be used as a data source, meaning I can pull the answer from that question and display it dynamically in my text. In my case, I want to recall the answer from question 2, name, so I'll select it from the list. Now, I'll save my changes. When I preview the quiz and type in my name, that name will automatically appear in the following question, right inside the heading where I added the dynamic content source. For example, the next question might read, "Great to meet you, Alex. How old are you?" This small touch adds a personal and engaging tone to your quiz. You can use Content Dynamic Source not only in headings, but also in text blocks, paragraphs, and even on the results page. For example, if you add a text block or content block to your results page, you can once again use the Content Dynamic Source option to recall answers, such as the customer's name, skin type, or any other response they provided earlier. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.